The Throttle Swivel Kit is part of your tool's throttle linkage, connecting the throttle trigger to the carburetor. The swivel kit consists of a new throttle body swivel and the linkage cable. Over time, the cable can wear and break. The E-ring that secures the swivel can come loose and the swivel can be lost. Replacing the Throttle Swivel Kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air cleaner lid. With the air cleaner lid removed, now I can remove the air filter. Next, I'll remove the air filter base. There's a plastic cover snapped on top of the carburetor. I'll go ahead and remove it. Next, I'll crack open the tank cap to relieve any pressure in the tank. And now I can remove the fuel lines from the carburetor. I'll take note of the location of each of the lines. I'll release the cable linkage from the wire linkage. If the exterior of the carburetor is dirty, you'll need to clean it before moving on. I'll place a finger over the inlet and outlet on the carburetor and spray down the carburetor body with some brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. It's a good idea to wear rubber gloves when you do this. Now I'll remove the cable linkage. I'll open the throttle body and now push the cable away from the swivel. I'll lift the cable and release the throttle body. And now I can pull the cable away from the carburetor. Now I'll remove the screws that secure the throttle body to the carburetor. And with the screws removed, I can lift the throttle body away from the carburetor. There's a metal roller inside the carburetor body. The roller can come loose, so I'll be careful to not lose it. Next, I need to remove the swivel. It's secured to the throttle body with a small E-ring. I'll use a screwdriver to rotate the swivel until the back of the E-ring is facing out. Then I'll use a pick to remove the E-ring. I can push down on the throttle body to open up a larger gap to make this a little easier. And I'll be careful I don't lose the E-ring as I remove it. With the E-ring removed, now I can remove the old swivel from the carburetor body and install the new one. And I'll secure the swivel with the E-ring. Now I can install the new cable. I'll insert the cable through the cable guide, open up the throttle body, rotate the swivel around so the larger hole in the swivel is pointed this direction. Now I'll place the cable through the slit in the swivel and pull the end into the swivel. I'll place the throttle body back into the carburetor and secure it with the screws. Now I can reinstall the carburetor. I'll loop the cable through the wire linkage. With the cable in place, now I can reconnect the fuel lines. First the incoming line, and then the return line. I'll reinstall the base to the carburetor and secure this assembly to the engine. And I'll reinstall the carburetor cap. Now I'll reinstall the air filter. I'll place it on the base with the flange pointing out, and I'll make sure that it makes a good seal around the base. I'll align the air cleaner lid with the air filter and secure it in place with the knob. And that's how you can install a new Throttle Swivel Kit on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up